The month of Safar is synonymous with travel. So many years ago, Sayyidah Zainab, Imam al-Sajjad, and the family of Imam Hussein alayhim salam were made to walk. And today, millions walk to Imam Hussein. Alhamdulillah, our new building has finally been built. However, we are in desperate need of your support to decorate, furnish, and install all equipment into the studios to continue to give you the best in television broadcasting. This Arbaeen, Imam Hussein Media Group, wants to install flooring, furniture, telephone and internet cables, as well as a whole security camera system throughout the building. Our studios require soundproofing, lighting, cameras, microphones, and much more. Imam Hussein Media Group brings you so many programs, your favorite speakers and reciters, and with our new building, we will bring you bigger, better content and broadcasting. You've helped with purchasing the land. You've helped with buying materials and construction. Help us with our necessary purchases to provide the very best for your building. So many years ago, Abu Fadl was the protector of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Donate today so we may protect the building and the channel of Imam Hussein. We are a crowd-funded project with no sales nor profits. If you do not help and if you do not donate, then who will? Secure our building and in the process, secure your akhirah. Be part of the legacy and message of Abi Abdilla al-Hussein alayhi salam by supporting and helping Imam Hussein Media Group. To donate, visit www.imamhussein3.tv/HQ. Imam Hussein TV, your gateway to Karbala.